Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you, Prajwal?
Sir, I'm good, sir. I had finals, so I wasn't attending tuition.
Okay, okay.
My finals got over.
Um, Today over?
No, they got over yesterday.
Okay.
So, which chapter will we be doing?
Properties of triangles.
Huh?
Properties of triangles.
But that's not the 11th.
Huh?
That is not the 11th, no?
11th. 11th only. 11th topics not complete.
But properties of triangles isn't there only, no? So, we don't have properties of triangles.
Competitive.
Oh, okay.
Competitive.
Yeah, so but if it's only me today till 8:30 only,
Ah,
only I am there.
yes. Then last class, MN theorem. Anirudh, MN theorem. Very important in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if D is any point, if D is any point, any point on BC, on BC, such that BD is to DC is equal to M is to N. BD is to DC is equal to M is to N, and angle BDC is equal to alpha. Angle BAD, sorry, BAD. Angle BAD is equal to alpha. Angle CAD is equal to beta. And angle CDA is equal to theta. Then first one, m plus n into cot theta. Cot theta is equal to m cot alpha minus n cot beta. N cot beta.
Sir, I'm not understanding how is this in 11th.
11th?
There's no chapter for triangles in 11th.
No. I am teaching this month total. Next month first week. Up to next month first week. A proper 11th portion. Competitive level.
Okay.
Okay. Properties of triangles only competitive, not board level.
Okay.
Properties of triangles only competitive level. Mains level or K-set level.
Okay.
Okay. This is one important concept, MN theorem. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
Prajwal.
sir. Yeah.
Listen. Proof I will explain. M plus n cot theta is equal to n cot b minus m cot c. M cot c. Okay. Then here first proof. First one proof. Triangle here. Let us take triangle. Triangle ABC. ABC. Correct? ABC. Then midpoint. Midpoint D. Then here one more midpoint take. Here L. One more midpoint L. Okay. Then this angle is alpha. This angle is beta. Okay. This angle is alpha. This angle is beta. Then here
CDS theta.
this angle is.
So they haven't given this angle. They said CDA.
Suppose this angle is theta.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here this angle theta minus alpha, right? Theta minus alpha. This angle.
So how?
Huh?
One second. Just one
This
second.
angle is theta minus alpha. This angle is
180 minus theta.
pi minus theta.
180 minus theta.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now
understood.
this angle is pi minus theta plus beta. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this
You're talking about ACL, ACD.
This distance is m. Okay. This distance is n. Okay. Now here in triangle BAD, in triangle BAD, triangle BAD, BD upon sin alpha is equal to AD upon sin theta minus alpha. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
BD by, that implies here BD by AD is equal to sin alpha upon sin theta minus alpha. This is equation 1. Okay. Then again in triangle CAD, triangle CAD, DC by Sine beta is equal to dc by sine beta is equal to
Just a second, sir. I'm copying the other part. Just a minute.
hmm, AD by sine pi minus theta plus beta. Here AD by sine 90 minus theta sine theta. Sine theta plus beta. Now AD by DC is equal to, that implies AD by DC is equal to, AD by DC is equal to sine theta plus beta upon sine beta. This is equation 2. Equation 2.
I'll just copy all this.
Right. First right. Board is clear, Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we don't need to learn the proof, no? Like this is competitive, no?
Competitive, but proofs, this
It
chapter,
helps. It's
proofs
helpful.
is important.
Okay.
Properties of triangles.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Anirudh done? Anirudh?
He doesn't speak, sir. He don't even try.
Next. After that, now here ratio m by n is equal to BD by DC is equal to BD by DC AD into AD by DC. Correct? Now m by n is equal to sin BD by AD. BD by AD sin alpha.
Okay, you took
Sin alpha upon sin theta minus alpha into here AD by DC. AD by DC sin
sin theta plus beta.
theta plus
Plus
beta upon
by sin beta.
sin beta. Yes, correct. Then after that,
So then it will be normal
cross
multiplication.
multiply.
Yeah.
After that, cross multiply m into sin theta minus
alpha into
sin beta is equal to n into
sin theta minus
sin alpha
sin theta minus alpha.
sin theta
Theta plus beta. Sorry, sir.
theta plus beta.
Sorry, I was reading wrong.
Okay. Then after
Yes.
that, m sin beta. M sin beta into sin theta minus alpha. Sin A minus B form. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
So yeah.
Sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha is equal to n sin alpha into
And then it will be sin theta cos
sin
beta
theta cos beta
plus cos beta
plus
sin
cos
beta.
theta sin beta.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that, here multiply. Here
So but it's done
m
now.
sin beta. M sin beta multiply. M sin beta sin theta cos alpha minus m sin beta cos theta sin alpha is equal to n sin alpha sin theta cos beta plus n sin alpha cos theta sin beta. Okay. Understood?
But you can't cancel anything out.
Then
No, only
dividing on both sides, dividing on both sides,
there's nothing common.
both sides by sin alpha, sin beta, sin theta. Okay. Sin alpha, sin beta, sin theta, dividing both sides. Then after that you will get.
So then you'll get m cos alpha. M cos alpha.
M
cos alpha by sin theta.
Sin beta.
Sin beta is cancelled now. So m cos alpha by sin theta.
Cot
no,
alpha,
sin,
right?
sin beta. Yeah.
Cot alpha minus.
Oh, I understood.
Cos alpha upon sin alpha, cot alpha. Then remaining cancel. Then here m sin beta, sin alpha get cancelled. Cos theta upon sin theta. M cot theta. Okay. Then
Yes,
next here n here sin alpha, sin beta, sin alpha, sin theta get cancelled.
Cot beta.
Cot beta. Plus here sin alpha, sin beta, sin alpha, sin beta,
cot alpha,
cot theta.
That's theta or alpha?
Theta.
Okay, it's theta. Sorry, I couldn't see.
N cot theta.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that, m cot alpha minus n cot beta. N cot beta is equal to m plus n. Here m cot theta plus n cot theta. Cot theta get common here. M plus n cot theta. This is the first proof, first one.
Yeah, understood, sir. And then you can prove the other one. I'll just write this down.
Right, right.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, I've copied.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Then next second one. Second one, m plus n cot theta is equal to n cot b minus m cot c. Now here in triangle ABL, in triangle ABL, triangle ABL, cot B is equal to, Prajwal, cot B is equal to
Got
BL upon AL,
yes, sir.
adjacent by opposite side. Okay.
Yeah, you
Then
can take.
BL is equal to BL, BD plus DL.
So wait, sir. I wrote BD everywhere. Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
Then upon AL is equal to, then
AD plus
BD
AL.
by AL plus DL by AL. Okay. Then here cot B is equal to BD by AL, BD by AL plus cot theta, right? DL by
Yes.
AL cot theta.
Yes, yes.
Then BD by AL is equal to
So I know BD by AD. I'm not sure about BD by AL.
cot B minus cot theta. This is equation 1.
Okay.
Okay. Then next in triangle ALC. In triangle ALC. ALC cot C is equal to cot C. LC by AL. LC by AL. Then DC minus DL upon AL is equal to DC upon AL minus DL upon AL. Okay. Then cot C is equal to DC upon AL minus DL upon AL cot theta. Now DC upon AL is equal to cot C minus cot theta. This is equation 2.
So we need to do it for AL.
Cot C plus, sorry, here plus.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, here minus, here plus, here minus. Complete?
I'll write this, sir.
Right.
So you won't teach this to the others? You won't teach this to the others?
Others. Today absent.
They'll be absent for the next week.
Next week also absent. Then NCFE student.
Because their exams are starting, their finals are starting, so they won't.
This final start next month 2nd. KV students. Then
Even
NCFE completed, no? NCFE?
No, NCFE had a pre-board. Their finals will start now.
Now start.
Yeah, so even they won't come. KV also finals are going. Will start.
Okay. Complete Praswal?
Yes, you can go to the next topic. Is this complete?
Not complete. Not complete.
That's all. That's all. Because we need to do more.
Okay. Here since now m by n is equal to m by n is equal to BD plus BD upon D
BD upon 1 second, sir. I lost the
DC
page.
na DC or DL?
1 second, sir. 1 second.
DL.
Yes. No, sir. M by N is BD by DC.
DC okay.
DC.
DC is equal to
That will be BD by AD into AD
now
by
cot B minus cot theta upon cot C minus plus cot theta.
Okay.
Then cross multiply.
So you bring the. Do we cross multiply or do we just?
Cross multiply.
Okay.
N into cot beta minus cot theta. Now here m cot C plus n cot theta is equal to n cot beta cot B, not beta, B is equal minus n cot theta. Now here m plus n cot theta is equal to
And that can be n cot
cot B
theta minus cot theta.
m cot C.
Okay. So, but with this logic, that means that
Here
with this
n cot theta, here m, sorry, here m.
that's
M cot theta, here n cot theta. Then get common. Then this side, send the side. M cot.
So, but with that logic, that means since both of them are n plus n cot theta, that means that m cot alpha minus n cot beta is equal to n cot beta minus n cot C.
N cot beta.
Yeah.
This one is n cot B minus m cot C.
Yeah, almost same. Like this is the
not almost same.
Signs are opposite.
First one is alpha beta, second one is BC.
Okay.
That is the difference.
Understood, sir. I'll just write it.
Okay, right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Circles connected with triangles. Circles connected with triangles. There are two circles are connected. Two circles are connected with triangle. With the triangle, first one, circumcircle. Second one, incircle. Circumcircle and second one is incircle. Okay, first one, right? circumcircle. Circumcircle. The circle which passes through the angular points, the circle which passes through the angular points of a triangle triangle is called the circumcircle. Circumcircle. The center of this circle, the center of this circle is the point of intersection, is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of the sides is called circumcenter. And its radius is always denoted by capital R. See, this is the angular bisectors A, B, C, D, F, E, F. Okay. Then center O, radius R. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to R. Then R is called, then capital R is called circumradius. O is called circumcenter. Okay, right. Understood, Prajwal?
Yes, sir. I'll just write it. Just a minute.
Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Circumradius. Circumradius. The circumradius are of a triangle triangle ABC is given by first one, capital R is equal to A upon 2 sin A is equal to B upon 2 sin B is equal to C upon 2 sin C. Second one, R is equal to ABC upon 4 delta.
So is this chapter basically included in trigonometry?
Including trigonometry.
Yeah, that's what.
Here let ABC be a triangle and let the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle BCCA and AB intersect at O. Correct? Diagram explanation. Let ABC be a triangle
Yeah.
and let perpendicular bisectors of its sides BC, AC and AB intersect at O. Then O is the circumcenter. Such that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to R, right? Okay. Then after that, first one here, angle BOC. We have angle first one BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 2 into angle BAC.
So have they given it? Where does
Angle
it give it?
angle BOC. Angle BOC.
BOC is equal to B.
2 into BAC. Correct? This is half, no?
Yes, that's a rule. Yeah,
2
sorry.
into
Yeah.
B angle BAC is equal to 2A. Then angle BOC is equal to BOD, sorry, BOD. Angle BOD. Angle BOD is equal to angle COD is equal to A. Correct? In triangle BOD, in triangle BOD, sin A is equal to, in triangle BOD, sin A is equal to BD by OB is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Then BD, this distance is a by 2, right? This distance is a by 2. Okay, BD distance. Then here sin A is equal to, this angle is A and this angle also A. Okay. Sin A is equal to BD by OB. Then A by 2 upon R, OB. OB is R, radius, is equal to A by 2R. A by 2R. Sin A is equal to A by 2R. Then R is equal to A by 2 sin A.
So this is such an important topic. Why did they delete it from the boards?
Very
It's actually
important.
such a big, it's very big also.
Similarly, you can write sin B. Similarly, you can write sin B. Sin B is equal to B by 2R. That implies R is equal to B upon 2 sin B. Then next sin C. Sin C is equal to C by 2R. Then R is equal to C by 2 sin C. Therefore, finally R is equal to A by 2 sin A, B by 2 sin B, C by 2 sin C. Very, very important.
So this year they really made a mistake by deleting so much portions for no reason.
Okay.
Because like otherwise I would have had some idea about this. Like this is the first time I'm seeing all this.
Okay, Prajwal.
I'll write so.
Right.
I think I've done circumradius somewhere else maybe.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'll just write this.
Don't miss the class, Prajwal.
Sir, I only missed some classes because I had my exams going on. Now I'll
Okay.
be
This
there.
chapter very important.
Yeah, this is
Miss the class.
important.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Anirudh, understood? Anirudh?
Sir, he never speaks. Sir.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Mic problem.
Maybe. Sir, done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, second one. As we know that delta is equal to half BC sin A. Delta is equal to half BC sin A. Now sin A is equal to 2 delta upon BC. Then sin A upon 2R is equal to 2 delta by BC. Okay, then cross multiply. 4 delta R is equal to ABC. Okay, R is equal to ABC upon 4 delta. Simple. Okay, Prajwal.
Yeah, sir. This. I don't know, sir. Yeah, I understood this.
Area of triangle.
Yeah. No, I didn't understand why it was sine alpha. Now sine A. Now I understand.
Okay, okay,
I forgot the diagram, so I don't understand.
okay, okay. Okay, done.
Yes, sir. You can go on.
Okay. In circle. Second one. In circle or inscribed circle. In circle or inscribed circle. Both are same. The circle inscribed.
So inscribe means the circle. The circle is inside, and triangle means the triangle is the circle is outside. The
Yes,
triangle is inside.
yes.
Transcribed. Yeah, that's it. I always get confused with that.
The circle which can be inscribed, the circle which can be inscribed, within a triangle, within a triangle, and touch each of the sides, and touch each of the sides, each of the sides is called in circle or inscribed circle. the center of the center of this circle, the center of this circle is the point of intersection, is the point of intersection, point of intersection of the bisectors, point of intersection of the bisectors of the angle, angle bisectors of the angle of the triangle, of the triangle. The radius of this circle, the radius of the circle, radius of the this circle, circle is always denoted by, is always denoted by small r, always denoted by small r, and is equal to the, and is equal to the length of the perpendicular, length of the perpendicular from its center, length of the perpendicular from its center, length of the perpendicular from its center to any of the sides, center to any of the center to any of the sides of the, any of the sides of the triangle, sides of the triangle. A, B, C, then bisectors, the center is I, radius R, D, E, F, then this side is B, then this side is A, and this side is C. This angle is A by 2, this angle is B by 2, and this angle is C by 2. Total distance is A, this distance is BD distance, S minus B. This side is, and BF is equal, side is equal, S minus B. Here this distance, clearly I am draw. First this one order. Here ID equal to IE is equal to IF is equal to R. R is equal to in radius. R is equal to in radius. I is equal to in center. I is equal to in center.
Understood, sir.
Okay, right.
Writing, sir.
Complete?
No, sir.
Right.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. S minus B, here S minus C. Then here S minus C, distance. Then here S minus A. Okay, now understood diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir. Diagram is understood. This is for transcribing. No, this is for inscribing. This is inscribing.
This is the diagram.
Inscribing. Yeah.
Now in
I
radius.
think I've done this.
In radius. In radius. The in radius.
So like basically like we didn't do it with we didn't do it much with
Radius
trigonometry,
R.
but we have done this. Like in
Okay. R of the inscribed circle of a triangle ABC is given by first one, R is equal to delta by S. Second one, R is equal to S minus A into tan A by 2. R is equal to S minus B into tan B by 2. R is equal to S minus C into tan C by 2. Then third one, R is equal to A sin B by 2 sin C by 2, A sin B by 2 sin C by 2 upon cos A by 2. R is equal to B sin A by 2 sin C by 2 upon cos B by 2. R is equal to C sin A by 2 sin B by 2 upon cos C by 2. Okay, fourth one. R is equal to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Proofs 1, 2, 3, 4.
Um, just a second.
Hmm?
Just a second.
Okay, right.
Wait, so all of these are different values for R. Everything will work, any of these.
Yes.
Oh, I can't see that down a little. Third point. Yeah, understood. Cos beta by 2.
Right.
So I can use either of these formulas to find R.
Yes.
Understood, sir. I'll just copy them down.
Right. 1, 2, 3 here 3, here 1, here 1, total 4.
That's all. I can use any of them.
Done?
Yes, sir. Can you show the diagram once again? I didn't write what is
Okay.
S. What is S in like total? S is equal to?
Where?
You've written S known places.
Here.
Yeah, what is S equal to? What is S representing?
S represent
Yeah, what is S?
We have to find S.
Okay, so like usually when they ask for radius, they'll give S also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, then okay. That's what I was thinking, like two variables are there. Understood.
Okay. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So what type of weightage does this chapter have in
Huh?
what type of weightage does this chapter have in competitive?
This one is K-set and mains and advance also.
How many questions will come like this?
One question, mains.
Okay.
Mains one question, K-set two questions.
Yeah. KSET has 45 questions in total.
Huh. Now here, first one, proof. R is equal to delta by S. R is equal to delta by S. Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, delta is equal to half into A into R, right? Plus half into B into R. Okay. Then how it is coming? Then I will
Wait,
write.
R is equal to
Wait.
delta by S.
Delta is equal to
Okay, so
area of triangle IBC plus area of triangle ICA. Area of triangle ICA plus area
Just slow
of
down, slow
triangle
down.
IAB. Area of triangle IAB. Okay, now understood?
Just a second. I'm looking at the diagram.
Half into A into R, half into B into R,
Yes, understood, sir.
half
Understood.
into C into R. Okay, here half R into common A plus B plus C. Okay, now here half R into A plus B plus C, since A plus B plus C is equal to 2S, semi perimeter. Here 2S. Now 2 get cancelled. Here RS. Delta is equal to RS. R is equal to delta by S. Okay.
Yes, sir. So are we done for the day? There's more.
Huh?
Is there more
More?
for today?
Today 8:30 up to.
Okay, sir.
Up to 8:30. Now 25, right? 8:25.
Yes, the 4 more.
No. Done? Did you complete, Prajwal?
Yes, I wrote this.
Okay. Then second one. As we know that length of tangents from outside point to circle is of equal length. AE is equal to EF. AE is equal to AF. Okay. Now BD is equal to BF. Now CD is equal to CE na CE. Okay, understood. Now since 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Since 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Now A is equal to BC, right? Now CA plus AB. Correct? Now BC is BD plus DC.
Correct, sir.
BD plus DC plus CA, CE plus EA. AB, AF plus FB. Correct? Then after that, 2BD, 2CD plus 2AE. 2 into 2S.
So you can take 2 common, no?
S is 2 common.
Yeah, so you
BD
can just remove the
plus
2.
CD plus AE. Correct? Now BD plus CD is equal to A, right?
Yes, sir.
2 to get cancelled.
Wait. Yes.
Here 2 to get cancelled. S is equal to A plus AE. A plus, this one is A plus AE. Now AE is equal to S minus A. AE is equal to S minus A. In triangle AEI, in triangle AEI, correct?
Yes.
Now
So
tan
there's
A by
some
2 is
light.
equal to tan A by 2 is equal to opposite by adjacent, R by AE.
Adjacent.
R by AE. R by
Yes, sir.
S minus A. R by S minus A. Now tan A by 2 is equal to R by S minus A. Then after that, here R is equal to R is equal to S minus A into tan A by 2.
So you'll give a proof for all of them. Okay, it's fine.
Then similarly you can write, R is equal to S minus B into tan B by 2. R is equal to S minus C into tan C by 2.
I can't see the bottom properly. Just thoda sa. Yeah, that's enough, sir. That's enough. Thank you. So done, sir.
Done?
So can we leave for today?
Okay, done. Completed.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Till R is equal to S minus B tan theta by 2. S minus
okay,
C
okay.
tan. Wait, is that tan B by 2 or tan theta?
Tan B by 2 here, tan C by 2.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Prajwal.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Good night.
Bye. Good night.